Question number 16. Find the equation of the curve passing through the origin. Origin na anartham 0, 0. So particular solution ku points kuduttaanga. So given that the slope of the tangent upper dy by dx is the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x comma y is equal to the sum of the coordinates x by y. Simple. புரிஞ்சு போச்சு. Now இதை நம்ம general formula எழுதணும்னா dy by dx minus y equals x. ஏன்னா இங்கேயும் y இருக்கு, அப்ப இங்கேயும் y இருக்கணும். அப்ப p ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? -1. q ஓட வேல்யூ is x. சிம்பிளா போடலாமா? இதுல ஈக்குவேஷன் ஃபார்ம் பண்றது தான் கொஞ்சம் கன்ஃபியூசிங்கா இருக்கும். ஒரு சில இடத்துல ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் சம் ஆஃப்னு கொடுத்துருப்பான், அதை கரெக்டா போட்டா போதும். ஓகே, செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப், integration factor e to the power p dx, which is e to the power -1 dx, e to the minus x. So this is my integration factor. The third step enna? Y times integration factor equals integral q times integration factor dx plus c. Y into e to the minus x equals q enna? X into e to the minus x dx plus c. Integration by parts. Easy ah pottulama. So I have integral x e to the dx equals x integral e to the x minus integral, open the bracket, d by dx of the first term, integral of the second term with respect to dx, mottama dx. Okay, x into e to the minus x divided by -1 minus integral of dx by x, dx of x it gives me 1, e to the x -1 times dx. Minus and the minus clubs together and becomes a plus. So enna agum? Minus x e to the minus x plus integral e to the x gives me e to the minus x divided by -1. So this is going to be minus x e to the minus x minus e to the minus x. Minus e to the minus x common எடுத்தா I'll have x plus 1. So இதுதான் நம்ம integral. Final solution எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? Y e to the minus x equals minus e to the minus x into x plus 1 plus c. இப்போ e to the minus x மொத்தமா divide பண்ணா I have y equals minus of x plus 1 bracket போடுங்க, c divided by e to the minus x. அதை நான் மேல numeratorல எழுதுறேன். So this is my general solution. Origin சொல்லிருந்தா, so I have x equals 0 and y equals 0. இந்த இடத்துல origin போட்டிருக்கான questionல அப்படின்னா 0, 0. They have given the value for y and x. So substitute. Find the value of c. So 0 equals minus of 0 plus 1 plus c e to the 0. So என்ன இருக்கு? 0 equals minus 1 plus c. C equals 1. So what is my final solution? This is going to be y equals e to the x minus of x plus 1. This is my final solution. Okay, please copy. Question number 17. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point. So 0, 2 particular solution கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Given that the sum of the coordinates exceeds the magnitude of the slope by 5. அதாவது you understand the sum of the coordinates. So sum of the coordinates x plus y exceeds exceedsனா என்ன அர்த்தம்? எதை விட? slope of the tangent விட 5 ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு. Slope விட it is adding 5 so that the coordinates ஓட sum is larger than the slope. புரியுதா? இப்போ இது வந்து slope வந்து 1 அப்படின்னா this is going to be 6. அதாவது slope விட 5 யூனிட் ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்க போது எது? sum of the coordinates. Okay, so this is with the help of an example for you to understand better. So இதுதான் equation ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டாலே ஆன்சர் கரெக்டா வந்துரும் இல்ல? Okay, now write it in the form that we need. dy by dx plus 5 equals x plus y. இது எப்படி வேணும் நமக்கு? dy by dx minus y equals x minus 5 because I have a y here. அப்ப இங்கேயும் y இருக்கணும். Now what is my p? minus 1. Q is going to be x minus 5. Okay, so second step enna? Integration factor, which is e raised to the power p dx, which is going to be e to the power minus 1 dx, which is e to the power minus x. Integration factor கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ third step enna? Y times integration factor equals integral q times integration factor times dx plus c. So y into e to the minus x equals q enna? X minus 5. Put a bracket. Okay, integration factor e to the minus x dx plus c. Okay, இப்போ இதை நான் split பண்ண போறேன். This is the integral that we need to solve. So I have x e to the minus x minus integral 5 e to the minus x dx. So, இப்போ first இதை solve பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? I have 5 e to the minus x ஒரு derivative is minus x minus 5. Okay? இந்த particular integral solve பண்ணா I have x e to the minus x. So, by parts பண்ண போறேன். So, I have x integral e to the minus x minus, open the bracket, integral, open the bracket, d by dx, differentiation of the first term, integral of the second term dx times dx. So this is going to be x e to the minus x divided by minus 1. We did the same thing in the last question. Integral, previous question. Correct? D by dx of x 1 e to the minus x times e to the minus x or integral e to the minus x divided by minus 1 times dx. So now again I have minus x e to the minus x plus the integration is going to be minus 1. So this, when I club the e to the minus x, I have x plus 1. So this is going to be this particular integral. இப்போ final answer எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? Y times e to the minus x equals, இதோட integral is going to be minus e to the minus x times x plus 1 minus 5 minus of minus இல்லையா? இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு minus இருக்கு. So minus of minus which is going to be plus 5 e to the minus x. Clear? This is going to be my integral plus c. இந்த இடத்துல minus e to the x club பண்ணா minus e to the minus x times x plus 1 minus 5 plus c. Okay? So this is y e to the minus x. Now dividing the whole equation by e to the minus x, I have y equals minus of x minus 4 plus c. Bracket la x minus 4 இருக்கு. E to the x. Don't forget the e to the x here. So this is my general solution. இப்போ particular solution என்ன, இந்த இடத்துல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான்? 0, 2 கொடுத்திருக்கான். So when I substitute the values, I have 0, 2. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. எங்க substitute பண்ணணும்? Y equals, I have y equals minus of x minus 4 minus of x minus 4 plus c e to the x divided by minus x பண்ணா மேல போச்சுனா e to the x ஆயிடும். Now I substitute the values. I have 2 equals minus 0 minus 4 plus c e to the 0. So I have 2 equals 4 plus c. C equals minus 2. So I found out the value of c. Now put it in the general solution. What is my final answer? Y equals minus of x minus 4 minus 2 e to the x. So this is going to be my final solution. Please copy. Question number 18. The integrating factor of the differential equation. Integrating factor மட்டும் கேக்குறாங்க. ஃபுல்லா சால்வ் பண்ண சொல்ல. So let's solve it. This is not of the form that we need. So dy by dx minus y divided by x equals 2x square divided by x. So இதை simplify பண்ணா dy by dx minus 1 by x into y equals 2x. இது cancel ஆகுமா? x x square cancel ஆகும். So this is going to be my p. This is going to be my q. So what do I have? P equals minus 1 divided by x. Integrating factor கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So integrating factor is e raised to the power p dx, which is going to be e to the power of minus 1x dx equals e to the minus 1 by x oda integral is log x. I can take the minus to the power, so x to the minus 1 ன்னு இருக்கும். E raised to log of some function is going to be the function. So this is going to be 1 divided by x. This is my integration factor. So this is the correct option. Okay? Please copy. Easy sum. இவ்வளோ நேரம் வளவலன்னு போட்டுட்டு இது குட்டி sum. Okay? Last and the final question of the chapter and the exercise. The integrating factor of the differential equation. திரும்ப integrating factor கேக்குறாங்க. So let us write it in the form that we need. So this is going to be dx by dy plus yx divided by 1 plus y square, sorry, 1 minus y square equals ay divided by 1 minus y square. So this is of the form dx by dy. So this is my p and this is my q. நமக்கு p மட்டும் தான் வேணும். Integration factor கேக்குறாங்க. So integration factor is going to be e raised to the power p dy. இந்த இடத்துல dx by dy இருக்கு. So if we integrate with respect to y. So this is e raised to the power y divided by 1 minus y square dy. இப்போ மேல integration மட்டும் solve பண்ணலாமா? I'm going to take 1 minus y square equals t. So I have minus 2y dy equals dt. I need y dy. So this is going to be dt divided by minus 2. correct? So இதை solve பண்ணா what will I have? This is equal to e integration of y dy is minus half, so dt divided by minus 2 into 1 divided by t. Okay, so இப்போ minus 1 by 2 வெளியில் எடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும்? I have e raised to minus half integral dt by t. So this is going to be e to the minus half is a constant. 1 by t oda integral is going to be log t. This is further going to be the minus half and I மேல கொண்டு போறேன். So I have log t to the power minus half. So this is going to be t to the power minus half, which is going to be 1 by square root of t. But what is my t? This is going to be 1 by square root of 1 by y, 1 minus y square. Okay, so this is my solution. So 1 minus square root of 1 by y square எங்க இருக்கு? Option D is the correct answer. Okay, please copy. So with this we are done with the chapter differential equations. Hope you have a better idea of the chapter. வேற ஏதாவது doubt இருக்குன்னா please let me know. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.